Kasi di ba nag-pandemic tayo after, within 2 years, nasa school kami, naka-close si Jecken. Ang daming nagtatanong sa social media, nasan si Jecken? Parang maisip ko baka makalimutan ng mga tao si Jecken. Yun lang binibenta namin sa school. Chicken, pasta, at saka burger. Yung tatlo lang yun.
Inining favorite ming lunch with my classmates.
Nano Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check
Guys,
out.
for today's vlog, hindi po kayo magsasisi. We are introducing Jecken Cafe Kitchen dito sa may Lazatin Blvd.
Siyempre, lalong-lalo ng mga taga DHVSU UA, alam nila to.
Guys, we wanna show you more about this. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Sobrang generous ng
Yes.
host natin for today's vlog. So once again, thank you so much, Jeckens, for inviting us. And siguro, before we, really dive in sa mga food, let's talk about the place.
Yes.
Anong masasabi mo sa ambience?
Actually, ambience is, first of all, unang-una, napakaliwanag, Instagrammable, good for family, good for barkadas, good for chill. At the same time, kita mo naman yung nasa likod natin, mga shoes, talagang mapapatambay ka talaga.
Para sa akin, ito yung parang they can actually cater wide variety of market in terms of age at saka yung regardless of the status. No?
Yes.
Yung classic natin, napakamura ng natin. Even the students themselves, they can actually afford it. Now, let's take a time to taste the food. Alright, so ito, bagong dumating to. So this is still fresh from the kitchen.
Yes.
This is their version of
Charlie
Chan.
Chan.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, wow. I gotta say, super close. It is super close.
Oh.
Very peppery, a little bit,
May spice ng konti.
spice, yeah.
Yes.
set aside to ng konti. Because I wanna try yung kanilang salad. So this is their mango salad, guys. Ito.
Ako naman gusto kong tingnan yung mga staple food nila, kung saan sila mga nakilala. Gusto kong tingnan yung kanilang fried chicken. Classic fried chicken lang to, pero tingnan natin.
Show them, yan. So siguro, show natin dun sa,
Ayan,
sa isang camera natin.
Yan, so ito, gusto kong tingnan yung kanilang classic fried chicken.
Dip it.
Ito yung mga nakilala sa Jecken. Yan, no? Ooh.
In fairness, yung size niya is
Actually, ang lalaki, oh.
bigger than the usual.
Yes.
Bigger than the usual. In terms of yung appearance, it's very appetizing. Napakalaki nila. And, yeah. How is it?
Actually, tama nga yung sinabi yung kanina ni ma'am.
Gravy.
Ang sarap ng gravy.
Kulang na lang mag-unlimited. Wow.
Nandun yung parang butter na gravy.
Oh, yeah.
Parang as a student, babalikan mo to.
Actually, it's almost a soup.
Yes, actually.
No, ito yung tama nga. So, when you include it sa rice, lalo na kapag steaming hot pa yung gravy natin, all in one. So, meron nga silang al fresco. They also have, kumbaga, shaded. They also have 2 rooms that are enclosed, are air conditioned. The first one is nandun sa harapan, and this one is an alternative. So, if you want a kumbaga enclosed meeting, dining meeting,
Kaya mga corporate meetings lang, available dito. At the same time,
you can try their merch. Di ba?
Yes, at the same time, gusto mo naman bumili ng shoes, mga limited shoes, or mga nakikita nyo yung shoes sa likod, they are for sale.
Good, yeah.
Kasi di ba nag-pandemic tayo after, within 2 years, nasa school kami, naka-close si Jecken. Ang daming nagtatanong sa social media, nasan si Jecken? Parang maisip ko baka makalimutan ng mga tao si Jecken. Kaya yung mga nakakakilala na ng Jecken na mga professionals na since 2011 pa siya. Kaya sila yung Yung mga regular customer natin.
Actually, iya po bayo ko na akong Jeckens. Pagmamangan to kini kay Jeckens aga na kaking ka na akong college days kasi anya nga kami kay University of the Assumption. Inining favorite ming lunch with my classmates.
Ati ka talagang memory.
Pagmamangan ko kini kay Jeckens, bala mi babalik kitang college ko. Kasi palagi mi pantonan kanita yung lasa na ning chicken and of course itang pag maragol dang gravy.
Yes.
Tikman nyo ulit, time machine, magbabak, o di ba? Matitikman nila ulit yung kinakain nila nung college days nila.
Yes.
Hindi, shock kami niyang muna kasi kalambat ang panahon tapos ikin Facebook makapost niya. May excite kami. So, ngayon actually, dakan na kayong beses minta Kenny with my classmates, former classmates kasi maging reunion venue miya with my classmates. Anong kasanting na very comfortable in place, manyaman yung food, at ding staff, very accommodating la.
Wow. Ito. This time, I wanna taste yung kanilang smoked barbecue. Please pass on.
Siyempre, papakita muna natin.
Yun, oh.
Smoked barbecue. Yan.
Alright, so tigisa tayo.
Siyempre.
Tigisa tayo, bro.
Titingnan natin yan.
Tikman natin to. Now, for their drinks, actually they do have, again, wide variety. So you can choose from mga fresh smoothies or you can have hot and cold coffees. So for now, let me try yung kanilang cold coffee.
Ako naman siyempre yung kanilang smoothies. Mango tayo. Mango.
So I think, again, no, for those of you who are looking for just a place to chill, this is not the place that you will be intimidated.
Yes.
Kasi nga, even if you get a coffee lang, pwedeng-pwede na yun for reason to stay.
Yes.
Ding ka na akong former classmates and schoolmates king University of the Assumption. Di balik ng Jecken's Chicken, kanya po king Lazatin Blvd, kanya king City of San Fernando. In-invite ko la rin po detang kaya pamikakilala king Jecken's Chicken. Deta pong not familiar, invite ako pumunta po kay King Jecken's Chicken. Mag-enjoy kayo po king food and king ambience na po ninyo.
Thank you.
Thank you po, we're in Pampanga.
Let's have a recap kung ano yung experience natin today dito sa Jecken Cafe and Kitchen.
Ako nagustuhan ko yung kanilang, unang-una yung kanilang parang Charlie Chan na version nila. At the same time yung chicken nila.
Yes. So sa place naman, definitely, absolutely, it's a recommended place for you, for your family, for groups. Very accessible. Nasa along Lazatin Blvd lang man po siya and they are open from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. So if you are near the area, enjoy the food, enjoy the place. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and when you share it, please tag We're in Pampanga para po malike din namin ang mga sinishare ninyo.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys!